I'm sorry. Why are you like this? Why? You don't look like this when I first bought you. Well, I guess we'll just have to shoot without you. Hi guys, my name is Cha Eun, or as known as Rachel. Welcome to my series. This is called Dr. Fix Me a Little, where I tackle all the ugly layouts, retarded layouts, and turn them into beautiful functional home using Feng Shui Psychology. Well, if you don't know what Feng Shui Psychology is, or if you're new here, here's a link that you can see my intro videos, 7 easy ways to instant upgrade your home using Feng Shui Psychology. So in that way, you can kind of have a little bit of understanding how the logic and the reason behind all my design and planning. Today's case study is a heritage house in Adelaide. Just like our last episode, which is, here's a link below if you're interested. So all heritage house, the front part of the house cannot be touched. That's including the front rooms and the facade. Also, the structure of the house extremely hard and costly to change or remove because they're all made out of solid stones. But unlike the previous project that we cannot do an extension due to the lack of space on anywhere around the house. There's no sufficient room in the backyard, so we can't do any changes. So which is a little bit of challenge, but I love a challenge, so bring it. So let's see how retarded this floor plan is and what are the 3 things that change instant value to this house. Let's look at the plan. Tell me, what is the first thing that bothers you when you look at the plan? I'll wait. Okay, ready? For me, it's the single bathroom that services the whole entire house. This is a 4-bedroom house, and I'm just imagining the chaos of sharing a bathroom with 4+ other people.
Damn it, Ross, get your butt out of the bathroom!
Secondly, the lounge room is way too far from the family space on the back. Traditionally speaking, this is how the old ways are doing. I mean, if you have the luxury of having multiple living rooms, this is okay. Like, you can keep one formal at the front, but in reality is that no one is literally gonna go to the front and sit there. People want to go to the back where there's food, where there's kitchen, where there's backyard, if you know what I mean. Everyone is gonna want to hang out in the family room. But if you see the family room, it actually is super tiny, and it literally, you cannot do anything with it. Like in the room here, you can put the lounge where you're going to put your dining table, in front of the bathroom, in front of the laundry, and in front of the office. There's all walkways, so you can't really put anything there as well. It's literally a dead space, and anything you put there becomes an obstruction of the walk floor. Thirdly, there's little to no storage of the whole house. If you remember our first video, we talked about a messy home represents a messy mind, and without sufficient storage, all your stuff is just gonna pile up. With that little storage room, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's mostly gonna look like this. Over time, the house is just gonna keep cluttering, and you'll be thinking, oh, I'll just buy more storage unit, and it's gonna be looking like this. Makes sense, right? Wait, I think it's worth mentioning that there's no room to do an extension at this place, right? I already said that? Oh, okay, that's fine. Here's the list that we are gonna have to do. So we're gonna have to keep all 4 bedrooms. There is no point to sacrifice any of the rooms to decrease the value of the place just because that we need more space. Second, we need to have an ensuite, and the main bathroom needs to be multifunctional. Thirdly, we need to have open plan living, kitchen, and dining. That's where everyone's gonna spend time with. And the open space, open big space, makes people feel this house is a lot bigger, but literally we're not changing any internal space. And this gives instant value change. Lastly, we want ample storage space. Every bedroom needs wardrobe, the kitchen needs pantry, the linen needs closet, and the laundry room needs storage. So these are the 3 things. Added ensuite, multifunctional bathroom, more storage. And an open plan living space. That's 4 things. So this is what we're gonna do. We are moving the lounge room together with the kitchen, living, dining. And we're gonna make a bedroom out of the original lounge room, add ensuite to the original kitchen space, and create a multifunctional bathroom at where the original office space is. And it's gonna look something like this. In the new plan, 70% of the walls remain untouched, which is great because it saves us a lot of money changing the structure and demolishing the solid stone walls. All bedrooms has wardrobe space planned. If you look at the first lounge room, it even has a huge wardrobe that you can even do like a built-in TV wall or built-in study, which is great. The biggest seller point of this new plan will be the multifunctional bathroom. So it's not only 3-way, it's actually 4-way. So you got a separate toilet, you got a separate shower, separate double sink basin, and laundry space all in one place. You get a door to walk out to the yard if you want to hang clothes. That's for the laundry. You got ample storage everywhere. We replaced the kitchen space into the ensuite for the master bedroom, new one here. Because there were already plumbing, which is a lot easier to do. The wall of the living room is with the built-in TV wall that is aligned with the double door veranda to go out, which is like a perfect nook that you can put the TV there and then you can have your living room. The updated family room looks so much bigger and spacious, even though it's almost exactly the same size. And oh my god, is that a walk-in pantry and an island? I hope you guys like the transformation. Let me know which one is your favorite part. Tell me in the comments, send me a message, like and subscribe this video so I can make more videos. If you have some retarded layout that you want to show me, that you want me to change, just send it to me, email me, I'll change it for you. It's that easy.